we're looking at XRP USD market on the 1 month time frame, and it's looking like market is actually headed up. Okay, we already had a breakout and market tested the first resistance zone, the first high, and it's come back for a retracement to the bottom, and I believe we will be headed here based on my calculations of take profit. But if we are going by how when market tested an initial breakout, this top, you can see market made it all the way to the top and even took it out by a little bit, which I guess is what we call liquidity grab. Okay, so because market did this, there's a chance market could make it all the way to the top on this one too, by the wicks, just as this one happened. We can just call this take profit zone. Okay, so call it take profit zone, as you can see the numbers here for this TP zone. And this would have been the ideal entry for the retest. Now market has done retesting. Actually, this is a neckline. This would have been the ideal where to have caught it. So we could have caught it in, this is a September month. This is August, July. So you can see since April, market has gotten into the entry zone since April. Now, you know why I have this here would have been ideal entry zone. This is because obviously this is where the order block is. This is where the double bottom formed. And then with the double bottom, we had a bullish engulfing, which engulfed this neckline right here, which is like a W pattern, you know that already. And before market actually went up to the first top, market even retested into the neckline of this W before giving the first top, did a liquidity grab, came back again to into the block of the entry zone. So in the past few months, market has been giving us signal for a re-entry to the upside. Okay, so with maybe if you're lucky, it might come back. But with this candle we just had that finished off in July, the July candlestick, monthly candlestick, gave it yet a bullish engulfing, which of course I've told you guys in my previous video where I day trade as opposed to like investing, because that's what I tend to focus on. But I could also do this kind of trade calls or investment calls, if you want to call it that. We've had a bullish engulfing here, obviously. So we have all of this double bottom, initial breakout, retest with the liquidity grab back into the order block, into the entry zone, which market has been signaling pretty much since April, in my opinion. Okay, and actually not since April, because after we had initial takeoff, market just came straight down with this candle. So actually, that month, it gave that initial breakout in July. In August, we actually had the chance to get in straight away at the very next month. But it's been basically side marketing for a while. But now I believe with this bullish engulfing market is pretty much ready. So if you had gotten like pretty much in August, you would have been set, and all you have to do is just be patient. Okay. However, once you see this bullish engulfing, you know it's time. And I'm not just saying bullish engulfing for the sake of it. That's only one confluence, right? As I said to you, market has already given a double bottom. It's had an initial breakout, and this is the retest into the entry before we have more breakout, and it's going to go further past this because obviously we already have this. So in my belief, it's going up, and this is take profit zone to look out for. You don't have to wait for it to collect there, but you could hold it out or the lower time frames to see what market is doing and pretty much check it. I would say check it. If you have a trade, okay, set an alert, and whatever platform you use to invest, if it's possible to set alerts so that market can alert you when it comes to certain zones. Maybe if you want market to alert you when it comes to this zone, alert you when it comes to this, so that you can see what market is doing. So that once you're getting to the top, right? Once your market is getting to the top, you can decide if you want to collect early, or you can now, from then on, you can now, okay, let me be checking the market on a daily basis, because it only takes you, if you know how to read market, you can afford to actually look at market on a daily basis. Maybe it's easier for me because I'm a day trader, but people who invest, they might find it a bit troublesome. But if you care about your money, and if you care about making money, I would suggest do the alerts thing I just suggested, and when it gets to a certain zone, you can decide to collect there or you can just put take profit. But then if you put take profit, that's you being 100% sure the market will get to the very top that you want it to get to for you to collect as profitable as you want. But if you want to trail it as you go along, then you can set alerts at different zones, and then when it gets to a certain zone, then you can start watching it from daily there to see what it's doing, which you can watch on lower time frames. Okay, this is the move, entry zone. Let me label this. Usually I would say entry zone buys, but you could say entry zone bulls because market will go bull. And if you just hold a coin, then you just need to wait for it to do what it does. But if you trade with platforms that allows you to leverage it, it might be a good idea to leverage, especially if you don't have like a massive amount of funds to invest in the coin. Then I would say maybe a 2x. Put it as a 2x. 2x, so you can get double what you intend to get. But if you want to play it safe, no leverage involved, then just get in and then just trail the market as it goes up and know when to you choose to get out. I'll go to lower time frames. Okay, let's see what market is doing on the weekly. On the weekly, just watching. Interesting. Could have seen this on the weekly actually, because if you see on the weekly, first of all, there's this channel that market broke out of here on the weekly. You can see this channel. I've traded this channel many times on the day trade. So we have, where is it? Yeah, we have this that happened in market. And then we've had the breakout. Okay, we've had the breakout. So this is the channel, as you can see, where it's it's hitting the trend line and the lining before it break out. So once you know it's broken out, you know we are headed to the upside, and we just need to check the retrace so you can see where it came to test before. So this is quite interesting indeed. But anyway, guys, back to what I was saying. After market broke out of this big channel, right? And then came back for a retest. Sometimes the retest doesn't actually reach the bottom, guys. With this case, it did. Sometimes it will stop around the neckline. So sometimes here, market will stop here, whereas retesting the very bottom, obviously, I'm not accounting for the wicks. I tend to account for the bodies. But if you wanted to account for the wicks, this would have been here, which market would have missed you. So I tend to focus more on bodies. When it comes to wicks, there are different things I focus on them for, but not when it comes to retests. Okay, so back to what I was saying. You can see after market broke out, came back to test the bottom of the candle bodies with this candle right here. And then market went up. But as market is going up, guys, you could have gotten in literally at a very good time where you didn't have to wait for long. Like you see market as it got to the bottom, right? And then the next candle basically engulfed the last three candles. So that should have told you, okay, market is likely going up. But another thing is, market had this touch, and then this touch. After it touches here, what did it do? You got a bullish engulfing. So if you missed all of these entries, you could have gotten in again, yet another trend line support. Okay, let me make this shorter. You had one touch, two touch, three touch, just like we had here. One touch, two touch, three touch. Hope that makes sense. I'm not using very conventional technical words. I'm just making it very simple, like, you know, when they do computer for dummies. Not that you guys are dummies, but you know, I'm using a language everybody would understand, which makes it easier as well for me to teach you. So with this, we had the bullish engulfing. And so with this bullish engulfing, the next candle obviously tested that engulfing. So guys, you could have essentially gotten in here and then market bounced off it, went up, aligned with the zone, came back. You still shouldn't have been taking out because again, you were waiting, and then boom, after that. So let's imagine you got on this candle. This would have been May 2023, 22nd of May maybe, or the week around 22nd of May. And then all you need to do is wait 2 months to cash in on the first zone, okay? And then after that, we had the drop. So I hope that's all making sense to you guys. You can see a lot of things. Then you go down to lower time frames. So we're expecting market to shoot up. We've missed the ideal entry for this new upside. But yeah, we're expecting market to go further up. There's a new channel, okay? And it's gonna shoot up, guys. I'd say pretty soon. I don't know if it's gonna be like probably within the next few months, if not in the next few weeks, but it's coming. That's what I'm seeing on XRP USD. So let's go back. Let me delete this. Let's go back to the monthly. And this channel makes less sense on the monthly. Okay, so there you have it, guys. We are headed for the upside. So watch out if you're going to get in on this, get in on it. If you don't have much money to play with, you could try a leverage, low leverage, maybe 2x, maybe 3x. I wouldn't suggest you to go over 5x. So keep it moderate at 2x, maybe double what you would expect to get. And this is the trade call or the investment call for XRP. So I usually do calls or market analysis on lower time frames, but I also watch out for the high time frames to see what market is doing. And I guess stay tuned and let's see how this plays out over the next few months or even few weeks. But let's be more realistic and say over the next 2 months, guys. And we should get some good move on XRP. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you will get notified on my next update. Bye.